Welcome back to one of my favorite country, the Netherlands. At gaya ng sinabi ko sa naunang video that this country is surrounded with water, ayan, yan ang ebidensya. Isn't it magical? At bago sumakay sa bisikleta, ayan muna. Iba kasi ang standard ng malayo at malapit ng mga Dutch at ng Pinoy. Kaya bago sumalang sa matinding bisikletahan, itanong na lang kung ilang kilometro. Mas maganda kasi ang nakabisikleta kasi mas mararamdaman mo ang hangin, maririnig mo ang mga ibon, at mas ma-appreciate mo ang nature. And this side, sobrang na-fascinate ako sa paano nila ginawan ng lock yung mga kanal na meron sila. So kung paano nila ginamit ang mga kanal na yan para hindi sila bahain. Instead, naging asset nila para maging daanan papunta sa Central Europe. Lahat yata sa bansang ito is napapascinate ako. Kasi may napuntahan kaming isang theme park na nagsasabi na yung mga kanal na yan is ino-convert into hydropower plus the windmill. They know how to use nature as their asset, and to think they are below sea level. Canals are connected to different parts of Netherlands and to different parts of Europe. At sinong di mapafascinate sa ganitong lugar? It seems na yung barko is dadaan sa ilalim, but we're actually on a bridge. Napo-fold din yung mga bridges na meron sila dito. And I'm so happy kasi ito yung mga kinikwento ng cousin ko din dati na parang sa Panama Canal. Panama is quite far from here. And this side is sobrang sarap na mag-walking, mag-biking, kasi kahit ilang kilometro pa ang ibabike mo, hindi ka pagpapawisan. Kasi sobrang sarap ng hangin, sobrang lamig, and sobrang fresh. And alam mo na lahat ng makikita mo is bago sa paningin at sobrang nakakamangha. And if only I have a chance to take my whole family here, I will. Pero sobrang, yeah. And after biking, we reach this another lock canal. It's vertical opening. Hindi ko alam kung ganun bang tawag. Basta ganun, paakyat yung opening. And then, mag-cross again yung isang boat. And then, I don't know what will happen. Basta those boats will go into the Central Europe and some boats will go into different canals. Yung iba kasi is may mga boats din kasi kaming nakikita malapit dun sa bahay ng auntie ko na taking passengers. I think it's like a cruise ship. May mga nakikita kasi kami when we were passing along that canal. Tapos, yung may mga ship na parang luxurious and looks like they're taking passengers and then they're dining. And then, when we were passing, parang mapapasana all ka na lang. And this innovation, of course, parang sabi mo, sana ganito din sa amin. Tara, uli na ta.